Hello guys and welcome in this video. We're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up your Zoho Campaign Action Automation for workflow. This is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your sub account and connect to your Zoho platform. And more importantly, execute actions directly from your workflow for your Zoho platform. So let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace. So we search for the app, Zoho. Here you go, you click on it, we install, allow and install. There are some credentials required in order to get the installation going, which is to provide the client ID and the client secret. But before we go any further though, we have some smart cues here. If you click on it, they will guide you how to get all those keys. But let's do it together. So we're going to switch to our Zoho platform. Once you register inside Zoho, you get those information, right? But since Zoho has different apps, in order to get the right credentials, you need to change the redirect URLs, okay? So we're gonna change. We switch to our sub account to copy the redirect URL. We come here on Zoho Campaign, we copy the redirect URL, we switch back here, update, it's been updated, come back here. Now we go on client secret, and we have the client ID and the client secret. So we copy the client ID, we paste, we copy the client secret, always make sure it's copied, we switch back, paste. But before we go and continue, don't forget to connect the console to your Zoho CRM. Let me show you how to do it. So inside your accounts, you come here, scroll down to Zoho Campaign. There you go. So you click on I agree, take me in. You can select the word here. Let's say my account director, for example. Type a number, next step. You can say, for example, step. This one, for example, next step. When we're done, you switch back. You continue with installation, choose the plan, you're going to confirm. You open new window where you have to copy the new redirect URL. Okay, and you go back to your platform and edit the previous one. So let's come back here, and here, we paste the new one, update. And now we switch back and we have uninstall. This means that the tool is already connected and now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our Zoho. So guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up. Thank you for watching.